Thank you for viewing my virtual tour. Perfect sized home with a covered front porch. You will fall in love with this spacious open great room style floor plan, including living, dining, wet bar, breakfast area and kitchen with granite countertops. The slider opens to a lovely stamped concrete patio, lawn and garden area with mountain views. Just to the left of the sunny entry is the current den, which could easily be used for a home office, guest or extra sleeping room. To the right you'll discover the hall leading past the laundry to 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master suite is gigantic, including a spacious walk-in closet, full bath with dual sinks, closeted toilet, tub/shower, plus an open alcove used currently as small office sewing room. Beautiful private fenced backyard and side yards includes the patio, sprinklered lawn, auto-watered landscaping and views. The inside laundry room enters into the garage with shelving and workbench. High-speed internet and cable TV available.